Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel CS and IP Tutorials. As we were discussing about file handling in Python so far, so today we are going to learn about a very important and a very special category of files, that is CSV files. Now what CSV files are, let me demonstrate you through an example. I'm opening it and I'm going to create a new file. Basically it is a notepad file. Whenever I'm creating a new file in Python, ideally it is a notepad file. It depends upon what the extension I am going to give to that file, which will decide the category of that file. So here I am going to write a roll number, name, class, and roll number is 1, Anju, and let's say class is 10th, then roll number 2, Bobby, and again the class is 10th, and roll number 3, Chitra, and let's say class is 11th. Okay, now I'm going to save this file, and instead of a text file I'm going to write, let's say, my data.csv. I'm going to give .csv extension to this file, right? And save. Now I'm going to open this file with Excel, and you can see here all the values are coming in different cells. They are not coming in the same cell, they are automatically coming in different cells. So this is something that I have created a spreadsheet through Notepad. So this is the magic of CSV files. What a CSV file basically is, CSV stands for comma separated values. It is a normal text file, or you can say a notepad file. The speciality is that it is saved with the extension .csv, and when I am saving a file with .csv extension, it is my CSV file, and CSV files are used to store tabular data, which can be represented in spreadsheets or databases, which can be converted automatically to spreadsheets or databases content. So that is a CSV file, and in a CSV file, each row, when I am talking about the text file, each row or each line is a record, and all the values are separated, all the values of a particular record are separated by commas. By default it is comma, it can be any delimiter, that we'll see later. So this is what a CSV file is. I hope you are clear with the concept. Moving on, when I am going to deal with CSV files in my Python program, I need this module, CSV module. This module contains all the basic read-write function and all the functions and methods that are necessarily required to operate CSV files. So now we are going to create a CSV file, and obviously the only method to create any file in a Python program is to write that file. When I am going to open a file in write mode, it will be created. So the steps to create a CSV file is, obviously the very first thing is I'll import the module CSV, then I am going to open the file in write mode, then the file handle is to be converted into CSV writer, and for that I have the writer method in my CSV module. I am going to write this CSV writer. Then like I used to write in a text file using the function write or write lines. It's the same way when I am going to write data in my CSV file, I can use any of the two methods, write row या write rows. When I am using write row, the syntax is writer object, this could be any object, कोई भी नाम मैं ले सकती हूँ इसमें, is equal to, अब ये जो मेरा file handle है, that will be converted into writer object using this statement, writer object is equal to csv dot writer file handle. ये वो file handle है जिसको यूज़ करके मैंने अपनी फाइल को ओपन किया है. Then I am going to write writer object dot write row, and the argument that I am going to pass in this function is to be a list. It should be a list necessarily. And all the values of that list will be written to my writer object, which in return will be written in the file handle and ultimately my file. Let us see through this let us see this through an example. And I am having a file here csv.py. मैंने पहले से create कर रखी है. I have imported a CSV module. Then मैंने file को open किया data.csv. Right now I am not having any such file. I can show you. I am not having any file named data.csv here. So I am going to create my file using this statement. Then मैंने एक list create की है containing the values role, name and class. And then I am going to this W is my writer object. उस पर मैंने initialize करवाया csv.writer f. F is my file handle. Then I have written w.writeRow r and f.close. एक बार फिर से देख लो. Very first step import किया CSV को. Second step open the file in write mode. Third step मैंने convert किया file handle को into my writer object using this statement. ये आप syntax में भी देख सकते हो. writer object is equal to csv.writer file handle name. ठीक है. And then मैंने जो ये row create की थी r which is a list, उसको मैंने write row function में pass किया to write into my CSV file. एक print statement दे देते हैं. File created successfully and I am going to execute it. File created successfully. Let's see create हुई कि नहीं हुई. All files and see here I am having this file data. When I am going to open this I am getting the values roll number name role name and class. यही मैंने write किया था. I can open this in Excel as well. वो भी करके देख लेते हैं. Open with Excel and I am getting all the values in different cells. So this is how I can write into my file. अब एक method हमने देखा था using write row function. अब चलो हम write rows use करते हैं. And I am writing w.write rows and the argument to this should be a nested list. I can do any of the ways. या तो मैं एक nested list create कर दूं और फिर उस nested list को यहाँ पे as an argument pass कर दूं. चलो वैसे कर लेते हैं. या फिर मैं directly यहाँ पर nested list type कर देती तो वो भी possible था. Rows is equal to and I am going to type 2 rows here. Roll number name class 1 Anita and let the class be 10th or roll number 2 Deepa sorry 10 11th कर लेते हैं इसको. Any class I can take. And in write rows I am going to write rows. Fine. F5. File created successfully. Now let's see what is there in the file. Now see, I am getting all the rows written over here. अब यहाँ पर एक चीज़ आपने ऑब्जर्व की कि एक blank line automatically आ रही है in my CSV file when I am going to write using write row or write rows method. तो उसको avoid करने के लिए मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? While opening the file, I need to initialize one more parameter here, that is new line. और न्यू लाइन को मैंने कर दिया, न्यू लाइन बेसिकली आपका /n होता है, इसको मैंने सेट कर दिया एज ब्लैंक. फाइन. अब मैं इसको एग्जीक्यूट करती हूँ तो फाइल क्रिएटेड सक्सेसफुली एंड आई एम गोइंग टू ओपन इट. Now you can see here, now it is not having any blank line in between the rows. I can open it in Excel as well and I'll get the same. Sorry, open with Excel. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे आपने देख लिया कोई भी न्यू लाइन मेरी नहीं आई है, कोई भी ब्लैंक लाइन नहीं आई है किसी भी रो के बीच में. अगर मैं ये न्यू लाइन नहीं सेट करती हूँ तो क्या होगा, आपने टेक्स्ट फाइल में तो देख ही लिया क्या हुआ था, ब्लैंक लाइंस आ गई थी. अगर मैं उसको एक्सेल फाइल में भी ओपन करती हूँ तो मेरे को ब्लैंक रोज मिलेंगी. ठीक है, ये देखो यहाँ पर ब्लैंक रोज आ रहे. Can't find your license. Okay, I don't know what error occurred there. It was running fine so far. Let it be. So this is how we can create a file, and it is a good practice to initialize this new line character when creating a CSV file through my Python program.